Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are making leaps and bounds when it comes to Clio 2. Yeah, absolutely. This thing sat for years and years and years. We got it started. We drove it around the block, which was great. We got it here. We had a huge problem with the engine not wanting to run. A viewer stepped in, told me to check something. I checked it, and it was fantastic, and then it wasn't. Here's the problem. Yeah, it's right here. One of the problems is the idle control valve. Okay, so when the engine warms up, the idle control valve kind of tells the engine how much air, gets inside. So what you're supposed to be able to do is shake it like this, and it's supposed to go and make a funny sound. This thing is stuck. So when the engine gets warmer and warmer, and this thing tries to open and close, it can't. So it tries to adjust something else, and that throws the whole thing off. So we're gonna try to clean this out very, very quickly. We'll throw this back on, and then we're just gonna see if we have fixed something. If not, then we'll just keep working. And yes, I got my glasses on because I'm old as you know what I mean. I moved the camera because I want Emmy, I think that's her name, Emmy, to watch, because this car's coming back to life and I needed a little more work from you. So you need to participate a little more. All I have is a couple of cans of brake cleaner. And if you watch what comes out of here is gonna be amazingly black. So you let it kind of get in here, you let it soak a little bit. You can shake it up. That's my watch, that's not the actual part itself. See that? You see all the junk that came out? Is it working yet? It's trying to. It's really trying to. I wish I could show you what's inside here. But there's a little door that kind of opens and closes. Oh gosh. Do I have good shoes on? No, I got my crappy shoes on. Good. Okay, anyway. Ooh, brake fluid does not feel good on skin. That's what's coming out. That's exactly what is coming out. Still nowhere near we want to be, so I'm going to keep cleaning this. And we'll come back when it's shaking and making a good sound. I should probably take off my watch. Don't think about it. Don't even poop on my cars, because I just washed them. Nothing still. Here, can you hear it start? It's trying to. I need gloves on, that's what I need, and another can of this stuff. Okay, we're gonna regroup. This is how I'm going to update my Mercedes, which is super rare, super inexpensive, but it does have a whole lot of problems. This is called the Wolfbox G900 Pro, and it attaches right over the rear view mirror. It offers voice control, a waterproof IP67 rear camera, and what might just be the clearest night vision you can get. There's a parking lot monitor if you use the hardwire kit, collision detection, and touchscreen controls. Because we have so much snow, I really can't drive that car right now. So let me show you just how easy it is to put the G900 Pro on this truck and how easy it is to use. What I like about this is that it fits right over your rear view mirror. It's 12 inches wide, and it allows you to use the mirror without any video or completely fill the screen with the front camera or the rear camera. And yes, you can even split the screen so you can see both front and back. The front camera is 4K, it has super clear night vision, and this is thanks to the IMX678 sensor for super low light sensitivity. The rear camera is 4 megapixels, so video from both sources is incredibly clear. Since driving in snow increases the risk of skidding, minor collisions, or rear-end accidents, the G-sensor automatically locks critical footage during sudden impacts. This ensures key moments are preserved as evidence, helping you better protect yourself when it matters most. And the parking mode will watch over your vehicle when it's parked, but that does require a hardwire kit. All right, I came out at night to show you even more of this amazing dash cam. It's really a rear view mirror cam, but I want to show you what you can do with this voice control. Okay, so take a look at this, and then I'll show you something special. Okay, so take a look at this. Using voice control, you can tell it to show front camera, show rear camera, turn off recording, turn on recording, and lock video. So that has saved the video right there. Now it's also a touch screen, so take a look at this. We're looking out the rear. It's red because I got my brakes on right here. That's Tulsa in the, let me show you right here. If you swipe this way, okay, you get a split screen. This is Tulsa right there. And if I split screen like this, there's my front camera. So you can go front, back, split screen. I think that is so cool. I know, it's the little things in life, but look at the front camera. That's my hometown right there. That is so cool. Let's go back to the rear camera and we're going to continue driving. Plus, you can track your journey on the app. This system will show you speed details and your exact location. And downloading the video to your phone is super easy and it is super fast thanks to 5.8G Wi-Fi and the dedicated app. If you want more information on the Wolfbox G900 Pro, all you have to do is check the description box below. I put a link there that will take you right to their website. All right? Now let's get back to work. I just had a brilliant idea. Yeah, we're going to get rid of the snow. It's been another day and it is still solid. I mean, the temperatures are going up, but I had so much snow burying, you know, the blower right there and everything for the car. Let me show you what I'm going to do. This is really fantastic. Yeah, this is it. This is how we're going to take care of the situation. I'm taking care of business here, folks. Take that, snow. You've got no chance. There is no way. You are history. Okay, we're going to get rid of all of this. I don't know how long this is going to take. Probably a couple of minutes, 2 or 3 minutes max. No, this is a lot of snow. So let me do what I can. We're going to get rid of it, and then we'll be back. So we can get this car back on the road. I've got to see if cleaning the idle control valve and replacing the plate, look at that. Look at that right there. Look at that go away. Here we go. The plate behind the distributor is going to fix this thing and I can have a reliable little coupe. I love these things and I cannot wait to drive them. So I thought if I heated up the tubes going in and out of the idle control valve, I thought it would make it a little easier to remove. So I've already removed it once and then I put it in before the cold and I really wasn't sure that it was clean. So I got some more stuff. I got some spray seafoam, which is really, really good. So let me warm these things up. We'll remove it and then we'll give it a good cleaning. What I'm doing is spraying this stuff in here, holding my thumb over, or my index finger over this nozzle, and then spraying it in that one, and then closing it, and just kind of shaking it around to get this cleaner everywhere, okay? You can kind of feel it. Kind of, let's see what comes out. Well, nothing's coming out. Wow, that went way, here it comes. See, look how much cleaner it looks this time. Yeah, that's way cleaner. It was black the first time, and then, can you hear it? Let's switch hands. Hear that? That's what you want to hear. Those are dogs playing in the back. But this, that's what you want to hear. So I think it's loosened up. You can kind of see it's cleaner in there too if you look way down in there. Okay, I think we've done some good work. See? That's what you want to hear. So let's put it back in. Well, let's see if we fixed anything. Okay, we have, you want to see? We have already installed and I cleaned it. It looks really good. It shakes as you heard. Everything was fine. Everything seems to be pretty dry all through here. We have reconnected the battery and we're just going to give the key a turn or two and see what happens. That may not be the best photography right there, but hopefully you can see and hear some magic that is about to happen. Ugh. I haven't even touched the gas pedal. I guess I'm gonna have to with my snowy boots. My goodness, that sounds so much better. Stay with me, stay with me. Come on. Come on, there it is. Don't die. Come on. So I think what's coming out the back is the extra seafoam from inside the idle control valve. I hope so. I hope so. I really hope so. Come on, idle. Idle. Idle for me. Here we go. Well, what do you think? We have the smoke coming from here, of course. Still no spark plugs. I haven't changed those at all. This part sounds good. I'm happy with this part. We're still smoking out the back a little bit, but it's going to take a while to get all of that. I mean, I sprayed that thing full of seafoam. I mean, it was full. So if nothing else, we are kind of cleaning the top end of the engine. Ah! All right, well, let's put the air filter back on. I got to move another car. We'll see if we can get this one to move. Well, it's been about 7 or 8 minutes, and we have backed it up. I had a little bit of ice in my way right here, but the car is idling. Amazing. I do need to properly lubricate my linkages. I use silicone. That's not what you want. Transmission fluid looks great. So once this cools off in here, I'm going to take all those little tops off, and we'll clean this up properly, and then I'll put some transmission fluid, which is some really good lubricant right there. Maybe something else. We'll see. But we'll get that all lubricated. But the engine itself, heck yeah. Now it does try to die when I put the air filter on it, which means I think my air filter is kind of just a solid mass of goo or something in here. Certainly I've looked underneath this thing just to see, but we'll order a new air filter because the car does seem to be open to negotiations about coming back to life. Yeah, this is old. Yeah, this is so old. That's horrible. That's really bad. So I'll order 1, 2 for Cleo, and maybe we'll get one for Emily too. That's the green E320 Cabriolet that we're working on as well. So yes. Duck report, doing much better, needs a bath, can't take one with the snow, but he is alive and well, despite the possum attack or whatever it was that came down and tried to get him. The car, I am so happy with. It's running so much better. And I think once, it continues to warm up, hopefully, it's going to stop throwing out this darker smoke, which seems to be back. It's not as bad as it was at first. I'm hoping rings and everything are fine, but something else I'm noticing. You notice how the brake lights have been on the whole time? When the car's on, oh great, I didn't put the brake, oh my gosh, switch back on correctly. So when the switch is open, oh my gosh, these brake lights come on, and then when you take your foot off the brake, it pushes the switch and then they go off. Oh my goodness, that's not a smart thing to do, Mike. So that lies way up under there again. So once it dries off, something else to fix. It's always something with these cars. But inside is coming along. I do need to address that, the C-pillar situation over there. And I have not removed the seat control, the seat memory control from Clio 1 yet. We're going to do that and see if it works. Well, I know it works because that seat works. So we'll take the seat control out of that one, put it in this one, and then once the snow goes away and I have a clear path, we should be able to take this out on the road for its second maiden voyage. That's going to do it for another video, folks. I want to say thank you to everybody. Please check out the product we had highlighted in this video, the sponsor of the video today. I love them and I use them all the time. I guarantee you that, okay? So, we're taking a huge step forward with Clio 2. We're making big steps with Emily, and then Clio 1. We're going to get to you soon, buddy. We will. We'll get to you soon, so hang in there. All right, everybody. Have a great day. We'll see you again very, very soon. Don't forget, like and hit that subscribe button. It's going to do me a world of good, okay? See ya. Bye-bye.